Cupertino grows on silicon chips. Electronic hummus overflows pret-a-porter pink aluminium cashpo. Fungal fruit reaches for sky. Perfect teardrop, frozen in time, empty spherical lens, microcosm of earth. Your visage, MIA. The web of life weeps for you. You who wore out your welcome with random precision. You who rode on a steel breeze of exile and extinction. You who may never shine in, may never shine on your mother's embrace. Paradise forsaken, exploited, extracted, depleted, polluted, reduced to standing reserve. Tick, tick, tick. Mushroom cloud over Cupertino. Sporadical fallout. Agua Sagrada cleanses Camino Real. Reseeds magic. Regenerates spirit. Rejuvenates soil. Restores orchards. Firebird rises from the ashes in the valley of heart's delight, in the world after us. Tick, tick, tick. Love envelops earth. Ancestors harmonize. Music builds. Grandma and Uncle Pete dance. Gates open across space and time. Aligned with their wisdom, we are reborn. We are one again. We are all kin in the valley of heart's delight, in the world